Good afternoon, Corey Frazier here with the Weston Auto Group family. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2017 Chevy Tahoe Z71. Just like in all my videos, we're going to do the outside. We'll do the inside condition and features. I'll turn it over, let you see the dash, all the lights, let you hear it run. But first I just want to get outside condition, whatever features there may be, and then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. But as you're seeing, I'm getting both angles for you as well so you can see condition for yourself. Huge reason why I do these video walkarounds. It saves a bunch of time on both sides, plus it's for all of our out-of-town, out-of-staters. We do offer transport and delivery options. Just give me a call or text for further details. But an absolutely gorgeous Tahoe. As you can see, running boards, tinted windows. I want to kind of get up close and personal there so you can see it. The Z71 package, absolutely awesome package. Ton of options. Tires are in just fantastic condition. Brand new rubber, frankly. The rims are in great condition. Of course, you got the backup camera, the backup sensors. The tow pack's right behind that little shield there. You got the roof rack. As you can see on the doors there, the convenience package. It's a really nice package. Matter of fact, this one has auto start, so we'll just go ahead and do that one now. Make sure it's locked. Give it a vroom. All right, we'll get to the inside condition and features here in just a second. Fog lights. Now, there's a ton of features. I could spend all day going over them, but I'm going to verbally point out a few. I'll try to get them all in picture the best I possibly can. But as you can see, power windows, power locks, power fold-in mirrors, power memory seats, Bose premium sound. It has a WeatherTech type floor mat. It's a great add in any vehicle. Power seats. Let's get the condition of the leather here. Leather's in really good condition. You got DVD player, sunroof, center console with the wireless charging. Let's go ahead and turn this guy over now while I'm here before I... Oh. There we go. No remote detected. Let me get the key out of my pocket so it can detect it. I can find it here. Sorry guys, give me a quick moment. What'd I do with it? I'm hiding it. Oh, there it is. Alright, silly me, silly me, silly me. Let's go ahead and do this one more time. There we go. Gorgeous display. Alright, there's the mileage there. Very low miles, 35,000-ish. Manual transmission if you need it. Really good. Navigation, media center, heated cooled seats. Yeah, all of that there. Heads up display. The window, let's unlock it. Get third row here. Let me get this sticker in here for you so you can pause it as you go along if you'd like. There we go. All right, let's get to the inside here. Bucket seats, second row. Captain's chairs. Another word for it. So rear heated seats, rear air. Just a gorgeous car. Third row seating. Let's go ahead and get the back here. Power liftgate. All right. Go ahead and turn on some lights here. Turn on the lights. Well, guys, hopefully that helped answer a few questions. You know, if there's anything that I may have missed and you'd like me to come out, take photos, shoot another video walk around, frankly, whatever I can do to help, I am happy to do it. Again, just reach out, give me a call, give me a text, hashtag Frazier and Friends, or I should say hashtag Frazier's Friends. But I do want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully I can earn your business. We'll see you next time, guys.